In our last video, I put the case halves back together, and Mark and I put the top end in, and Mark put his engine into his Polaris, and here it is running.
It's alive! All back to working again.
So I was putzing around looking at auction sites online, and I happened to trip over this weird welding table. And this thing's pretty cool. I've never seen a welding table like this with a round spinny top. And I looked out on the rest of the internet, couldn't find anything, and I figured this thing is a one-off whatchamacallit, so I might have a chance at lowballing a bid and still winning it, because nobody knows the value of it, right? And so I entered in a bid. And lo and behold, I won it. So my buddy Michael and I, we chased down to the cities last week on Wednesday, and we went and picked it on up. And so this video is going to be about dropping the snowplow and getting this welding table in my garage.
Hey YouTube, MinnesotaEric here, and I realize that March can be our snowiest month, but I'm going to take a risk and I'm going to drop the plow. To heat up the O-ring so it'll pass by. It's just the O-ring that's holding it on right now.
So here's a total bummer. All of the footage of sling loading this table up and out of the trailer and sling loading it all the way around into my garage. The GoPro's glitched and screwed it up. It didn't record, or it lost it. It's just not there. Bummer.
You can pull it right out. Nothing's hooked. Oh, I can pull it right out? Okay, good. That's a clever thing you did with all these straps I have, which aren't quite right. Yeah, there is a spot in there. It is in there. Yeah. You just go, why?
You ground low.
Well, Mark, what do you think about the new industrial card playing table? Nobody can get angry and flip it over.
No, no, you're not going to do that.
It's a safety card playing table. Might be good for welding too.
I like all the holes in it though.
Yeah, they're threaded too. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like half
Zillion
inch.
hole downs.
Maybe 7/16. I think they're 7/16.
I think they're either 7/16 or half, one of the two.
Yeah.
So, you know, there's a just for giggles.
What is that? Half?
I think this is half. Yeah. That's cool.
I think that's 7/16. I could be wrong though. That might be half. No.
I might have to chase this up. So yeah, YouTube, I won this welding table on auction for $725, and I couldn't make this for $725. It is apparently a one-off table that was made for and by 3M, and it wound up at a machine shop retirement deal, and so I bid, and nobody else really bid against me. Not too many people. The people running the auction were just absolutely flabbergasted. They thought this thing was going to go for at least a couple of grand. And it didn't. My benefit. So cool. So this is the new welding table. And it spins. So, and it's got a drawer underneath for holding stuff. And it's on wheels so it rolls. So perfect. Anyway, that's all I got to share with you today, YouTube. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then subscribe. Till we meet again, YouTube. Bye-bye.